Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications on DOOGEE T30 Pro. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the top menu, expand icons, and now check that you have this feature deactivated, like here. In the next step, let's hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. We're gonna start from notifications. Of course, check that you have this button, turn it on, and go to the additional settings to check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. In the next step, if you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Tap on the delete, after that log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your alerts. In the next step, let's open the system in the settings and choose reset options. Tap on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and tap on the reset settings button 2 times. In the next step, let's try to update your system, so go to the system update and if you have an update, just download that and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.